Buenos días, clase. ¿Cómo están? Yo estoy bien. Hoy es el 22 de abril y hoy es miércoles. Muy bien. Aquí es el plan para hoy. Número 1. Mira el video de la señora Jones. Obviously, that's what you're doing right now. Muy bien. Número 2. This is what you're going to post on the discussion thread for today. What is the translation to this funny meme? ¿Qué dice este meme cómico? Here it says, ¿Cómo se dice nariz en inglés? No sé. Let's see if you can find out why it's a funny play on words. Número 3, click on the link and watch the video. This is the same video as Monday, but you need to watch it again to complete your homework assignment, número 4. So this is the book that you were read to on Monday. Excuse me, I'm looking for this book again. Okay, sorry. It's Un Día en el Parque por Lauren Gunn. So please watch this video again. I got some great feedback on what you liked about it, or maybe what you didn't like about it. A lot of students are saying they love it because of the illustrations and it really helps them understand the book. So you're learning what you enjoy about children's books. I want you to complete the plot diagram, which is in your attachments, as it relates to this book. I gave the instructions, the other attachment, plot example instructions. You can do this in Inglés or in Español, you choose, okay? And I want you to submit this as a homework assignment called plot. For Friday, you're going to be submitting a plot diagram for your own ideas for what kind of plot you would like to put forward in a children's book. Remember, the plots are always quite simple so that children can understand them, not too complicated, and it doesn't necessarily say it directly, it more just shows it than it says it. And I know some of your English teachers have been working with you on this as well. In addition to completing this plot diagram from this book, which is número 4 for today, I also want you to make sure you're keeping up with vocabulario. For today, it would be número 7 y gramática número 7 y Duolingo. Please email me any questions you might have. Again, on Friday, you're going to be submitting your own ideas for your own plot diagram. And I'll be pushing out children's books probably once a week for you just to get creative with your own ideas. I hope you're all doing well. Gracias. Adios.